Missing just a few key concepts can be the difference between passing and failing the Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamentals exam. In this video, you'll test your knowledge with realistic exam-style questions, learn why the correct answers are right, and identify the areas you still need to master. Whether you're an IT professional, Microsoft 365 administrator, or candidate preparing for the certification, this video will help you build confidence before exam day. We'll cover the key exam objectives you're most likely to encounter. Pause each question, choose your answer, then compare your thinking with the explanation. Let's begin with our first question. Question 1. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription. You need to prevent users from sharing corporate financial data to external users. What should you use? A. Retention labels. B. Data loss prevention, DLP, policies. C. Rote groups. D. Insider risk management policies. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Data loss prevention, DLP, policies. Explanation: Microsoft Learn states that Microsoft Purview, DLP, helps identify, monitor, and protect sensitive information across Microsoft 365 services, including Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, and devices. DLP policies can prevent users from sharing sensitive corporate financial data with external users by blocking or restricting sharing based on sensitive information types, labels, or policy conditions. Question 2. You use Microsoft 365 Copilot. What does Copilot use to generate responses based on corporate data stored in Microsoft SharePoint? A. Microsoft Intune. B. Microsoft Defender. C. Microsoft Graph. D. Microsoft Purview. Think carefully. This is where many candidates slip. The correct answer is C. Microsoft Graph. Explanation: Microsoft states that Microsoft 365 Copilot uses large language models together with Microsoft Graph to generate grounded responses. Microsoft Graph provides access to organizational data across Microsoft 365 services, including SharePoint, OneDrive, Exchange, Teams, and other work content. When relevant SharePoint data is available and the user has permission to access it, Copilot uses Microsoft Graph to retrieve and ground the response. Here's a quick study tip. The best way to prepare for this exam is by practicing with realistic exam-style questions. Resources like searchhero.com. Practice questions can help you reinforce concepts, identify weak areas, and become more comfortable with the style of questions you'll encounter on the certification exam. Question 3. Your organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You need to evaluate your organization's Identity Secure score. Which two factors affect the score? Each correct answer presents a complete the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. The number of global administrators. B. The SharePoint site permissions. C. The location of the users. D. Passwords that are never expired. If you're thinking like a pen tester, this should be clear. The correct answer is A and D. Explanation: Microsoft Learn states that Microsoft Entra Identity Secure score is based on identity security recommendations, including designating more than one global administrator and disabling password expiration. Therefore, both the number of global administrators and whether passwords expire affect the Identity Secure score, which measures how closely an organization follows Microsoft's identity security best practices. Question 4. Which Microsoft solution helps organizations classify, protect, and govern sensitive information used by Copilot? A. Microsoft Intune. B. Microsoft Purview. C. Azure Monitor. D. Windows Admin Center. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Microsoft Purview. Explanation: Microsoft Purview provides data governance, compliance, sensitivity labels, data loss prevention, and information protection. These capabilities help organizations prepare data for AI while maintaining regulatory and security requirements. Question 5. Before assigning Microsoft 365 Copilot to a user, what is required? A. Windows Server license. B. Copilot license assigned to the user. C. Azure Virtual Desktop. D. SQL Server installation. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Copilot license assigned to the user. Explanation. Organizations must assign an eligible Microsoft 365 Copilot license before users can access Copilot features. Licensing is a fundamental deployment requirement and is frequently tested on the AB-900 exam. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Copilot Agents? A. Replace Microsoft Teams. B. Automate and perform specialized business tasks. C. Manage Windows updates. D. Monitor network traffic. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Automate and perform specialized business tasks. Explanation. Copilot agents extend Microsoft 365 Copilot by handling specialized workflows, answering domain-specific questions, and automating repetitive business processes. Organizations can customize these agents to improve productivity across departments. If you're preparing for the certification, focus on understanding the core concepts rather than simply memorizing answers. A strong understanding will help you approach a wider range of questions with confidence. Great work! Today, you completed 6 realistic practice questions, reviewed detailed explanations, and strengthened your knowledge of key Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration fundamentals concepts. To continue your preparation, visit certshero.com and explore comprehensive practice questions designed to help you test your knowledge and build exam readiness. In upcoming videos, we'll continue covering more Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration fundamentals objectives to support your certification journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others preparing for the certification. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Microsoft certification goals.